Next, we will go over how to read a course description. So please turn to page 15 and find the Drawing 2 course description. Once again, please turn to page 15 in the registration guide and find the Drawing 2 course description. Each course description is going to list the course name, the course number, the length of time that the class meets, and this will be very important later on when selecting your courses for next year. So Drawing 2 meets for 1 semester, and you will earn 2 credits for this course. The prerequisite is a condition that you must meet before you can take this class. So for example, for Drawing 2, you need to have taken Drawing 1, and you need to have received a grade of B- or higher in the class. And this course is only for grades 10, 11, and 12. And following the course is the course description. This will tell you exactly what to expect when taking the class and will help give you a good idea if this class is right for you. So please make sure to use the registration guide to check out the classes you're interested in, read the descriptions, make sure you meet the prerequisites. Please turn to page 64, Registration Instructions. On page 64 of the guide, you will find Appendix C Registration. Please use this page as a reference in case you need help filling out your registration materials. You can also stop by the guidance office and make an appointment to see your guidance counselor if you need additional assistance. On pages 66 through 73 in the registration guide are copies of the registration forms that you can reference when selecting your courses, and then transfer the courses you've selected here onto your official registration document that you will get from your social studies teacher. On your registration form, you will see the course, the number of semesters, the class meets, and the course numbers. The goal of registration is to sign up for 14 semester courses. In order to select a course, please place an X next to the course in which you would like to take. Most of the core classes for each grade level are listed in bold print. This is an example of the 10th grade form. This student has selected 10th grade English. For social studies, they've selected human geography. For science, they've selected advanced placement biology. They successfully completed accelerated biology as a 9th grader. And they have selected geometry for mathematics. Once you have selected 14 semester courses, we also want you to choose 2 to 3 alternates. Alternates are used when one of your first choices for a class cannot be placed in your schedule, and the counselor needs to look for alternates to replace that class that cannot fit into your schedule. This student has selected beginning piano for an alternate, and they've placed the letter A next to the course to mark it as an alternate. We would like you to choose 2 to 3 alternate classes. And then signatures are required. So at the bottom you see it says, "I understand these choice courses are final," and has a spot for a student's signature and also a place for a parent's signature. So please make sure to fill this out completely. Take the time to choose your courses carefully. Involve your parents. At this time, we're going to cover some grade-specific courses and requirements for students that are participating in the Magnet Aerospace and Engineering program. For 9th grade students entering 10th grade, there is a special part of the registration form for 10th graders. If you took the Principles of Engineering and were successful and you're in the Magnet program, we recommend that students move on to take Computer Integrated Manufacturing or Computer Science and Software Engineering. We ask that students talk to their Principles of Engineering teachers, talk about recommendations for next year. If the Principles of Engineering course was difficult, or perhaps you want to try some different classes, there are Aerospace and Engineering Magnet approved courses on the back of the registration form that you can choose from. On the back of each registration form, you'll see a section that is titled AE Magnet approved courses. These courses are for students that are in the aerospace engineering program, and also for all students. So please, all students, take a look at these courses, and if you are interested in them, please sign up for them.